Welcome. If you want to change language in Garena Free Fire Max, at first you have to tap on the right upper corner on the settings icon, and then we can find language right here. So to change it, click on the English, and then we can set up any different, like for example Espanol. Click OK to confirm, and as you can see we have to restart our game to make the change. So let's make it right now. So we have to basically just turn off and turn on the game, and you will see that after a few moments our language will be successfully changed. As you can see, our language has changed from English to Espanol. So yeah, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.